My favorite application software is Microsoft Word. It was written by Microsoft. I use it to run document, keyboard, and I say it is very useful because it helps you edit text, uh, check spelling, and format document. It also saves time and make work easy. On my belief it that is it I to use even for begin however it also has some limits. For example, you need to buy a license and sometimes the software can be slow on our computer.